Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by locking in must-have skills and visible proof. Learn SQL queries, Python data libraries, and Excel modeling, then build 2 concrete projects, an interactive dashboard and a written analysis report. Once done, publish code to GitHub and notebooks to Kaggle, tag Dubai-relevant datasets, and tune your LinkedIn headline for recruiter keywords. This tells hiring managers you can deliver immediately and saves time in screening. You move into outreach with a focused plan. Pick 10 Dubai companies and study their data needs and tech stack so your application matches. Make each resume line measurable, e.g., increased reporting speed 40%, and include one clear cover sentence that ties your portfolio to their product. Once done, send tailored messages to hiring managers and recruiters, and attend meetups or webinars regularly to convert cold applications into conversations. You close by rehearsing 6-star stories that show your technical choices and business impact. Practice whiteboard tasks and live SQL tests until you are confident. During offers, state a clear salary range and include benefits and relocation in calculations, because UAE pay structures differ from other markets. If interviews stall, rework your portfolio based on recruiter feedback, take a short paid contract to gain Dubai experience, and ask contacts for direct referrals. This often breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.